2027 Storm Track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
All right, live look outside showing the cloudy skies over the capital area, and it's pretty mild. Winds are whipping out there. You can see the flags blowing as we have a breeze coming out of the south, and that's going to pump in the moisture and the warmth. We're already up to 55, and we're not going to stop there. I think we could see our first 60-degree reading of the year, and that warmth would fuel the storms as they arrive. So here's what you need to know. Tornadoes, high winds, hail, and heavy rain all possible in parts of southern Wisconsin. Target time frame will be from 3 this afternoon through 9 this evening, and the highest threat in our region is going to be Madison and points south and west. Okay, here's how it looks right now. Just a few claps of thunder with some garden variety showers from La Crosse to Monroe to Juneau and Adams counties into Wautoma. A couple rumbles of thunder up towards Necedah. None of this is strong or severe. This is not the main event for us. We did get a wave overnight as well, and all this is going to continue to move up towards Eau Claire and Green Bay, exiting the region. So Future Track doing a pretty good job tracking the timing of this as it looks like right now. We have a few of those little showers and thunder showers to the north. Soonest chance for that first potential strong to severe wave would be from around 3 to 6 this evening as we look out towards Greene, Rock, into Dane County. This is coming in at us, what's now associated over northern Missouri, southern Iowa. The main cold front, though, look at all these reds and pinks indicating that possible severe weather. That moves in secondary on the, as that first wave moves out. As we look at 6 to 8 this evening, so maybe a little bit later arrival, that would be good news for us. As we get past sundown, we're not going to have the sunshine and the warmth anymore to fuel the storms, so hopefully these would weaken as they cross through the state. Either way, threatening weather, approaching the I-39-90 corridor by around 7 to 9, exiting as late as around 10 or midnight to the northeast, likely a little weaker, but still probably some storms embedded in that line. Overnight, then we have that light snow chance by daybreak tomorrow as that strong cold front drops our temps by more than 30 degrees. The severe weather potential today lowest near the Great Lakes, and that's because there's a cool stabilizing feature that the Great Lakes have for this time of year. The water temps are only in the 40s. But farther to the southwest, away from the Great Lakes, we have the highest threat in our area at a level 3 out of 5. But just south of the region, into the Quad Cities, Des Moines, out towards Peoria, Illinois, that's where there's a level 4 out of 5 risk, and this extends all the way south towards Arkansas along the Mississippi River. So that's where the greatest threat is, but still, we are under a pretty elevated situation considering that this is very early in the season to be talking about a potential severe storm outbreak. Here are the threats in greater detail. High wind gusts are in first place. Tornadoes, though, a close second. Can't rule out some hailstones and flooding. The winds could get to near hurricane strength. Tornadoes could be strong and possibly even long-lived. Hail up to golf ball size possible, and then the flooding, not a big issue for our area. So be thinking about where you would go for your safe place if you were under a tornado warning. You get down to the lowest level, under a table or mattress to put as much between you and the outside world as possible. Cover your head. If you're at home, grab a helmet. If not, just cover it with your hands and keep in place until the warning expires. There's an acronym DUCK for you just to keep in mind. Low 60s fueling these storms. That's the warmest temps we've experienced in 4.5 months. Here's your 7-day forecast showing temps in the low 40s tomorrow with that light snow in the morning, maybe an inch or less, not a big deal. And we're rewarded by Sunday with some great looking weather there, upper 50s, sun cloud mix.